What's up guys? Are you looking for a glass windshield that you can use a windshield wiper on and also has a vent? Well, SuperATV has you covered, and today we're going to show you how to get it installed on this Polaris RZR Turbo. So let's get right to it. We've already removed all of our protective film and everything off of our windshield. We're ready to get our components installed to it. We'll go ahead and start by grabbing our lower vent. As you can see, it slides from side to side. Well, in the kit, we're going to have two twist knobs. Those will just thread right onto the studs here. So once we have that, we'll grab our seal here. And we're going to apply it to this edge. So we'll just go ahead and peel it and get it started right on the edge. We'll have a little bit of excess here. So you can cut it, or what I like to do is just kind of put my thumb there to hold it, and you can just tear it off. That works just as easily. We'll do the same thing over here on this side. So then you'll notice in your kit you have two different kinds of seals. This is our straight bulb seal, and this is going to go along the lower portion of the windshield here. And we'll just start right here on this corner, start working this bulb seal onto the frame. So make sure that we're getting it fully seated all the way across here. Once we get to this point right here, we'll go ahead and cut off our excess. All right, so now we have our seal applied here. We want to take this seal, which is our 90-degree bulb, and we're going to apply it to the upper portion of the windshield facing towards the machine. So we'll start right here on the edge. Start working this seal all the way around the top. Then once you get to this point right here, we'll go ahead and cut off the excess. Just like that. And then we can go ahead and install our wiper. We're going to lay our windshield off to the side here. And we'll just go ahead and we'll remove our cap. It goes right here. We'll go ahead and flip this straight up. And we'll go ahead and we'll grab our handle for our wiper. We'll remove the nut off of one side. Remove the rubber seal here as well as the washer. And we're going to slide this through. Just like this. Put the rubber seal down, then the washer, and then our nut. Then we'll want to get our wiper in a good position. And once we have it lined up, we'll go ahead and we'll put our nut on. Just like this. So we'll have a little bit of movement up and down, which is perfectly acceptable. So we'll make sure everything's snugged up. Then I like to go ahead and take my wiper and install it just to see how it's going to look. Make sure it's in the right position for us. So that's going to be perfect. That's exactly what we're looking for there. So now we're going to go ahead and fully tighten our hardware for our wiper as well as for our lever. Let's hold on to our lever down here and just tighten this up. Just like that. We got it good and tight there. We'll grab two 17mm wrenches. And we'll go ahead and tighten these nuts down. So once we have that good and tight, we can go ahead and pull the cover off of our wiper here. We'll go ahead and we'll put our cover back on. Just goes on there just like that. So that's going to work out great. Next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna take our clamps that are provided in the kit here. We'll go ahead and remove the nuts off of them, remove the washer, and then we'll remove this piece right here, your grommet. We're just going to take each of our grommets and install them to the 4 holes around the windshield. Get them in there, and then you take the metal sleeve, get that lined up. So now we're ready to slide our windshield into place. Let's get it slid all the way up onto the cage. Best we can, just like that. Then we'll go ahead and grab our clamps, get it lined up with the hole. Then we'll take a screw, slide it through, line the clamp up. Just go ahead and get your nut started on there. We're not going to fully tighten anything just yet. Just like that. So those are just hand started. So then we'll go through with the rest of our clamps and get them all started as well. Just want to make sure that before we tighten anything down that we have our windshield slid up as high as we can get it. So it makes a good seal everywhere. Now that we have all of our hardware started, we're going to go through, make sure that we're making good contact everywhere with our windshield. Get my Phillips screwdriver out here, my 10mm on a ratchet. A lot of times you can thread them into a certain point with the screwdriver. Get it kind of close and just fully tighten it. So once you have all your clamps installed and your windshield where you want to go through, fully tighten all your hardware, and then you have a windshield that's ready for the elements. You have a windshield wiper here. You can use Rain-X on this. You have a vent down here for those hot days. All around, awesome product, awesome windshield. And there you have it. That's how super quick and easy it is to install SuperATV's glass windshield and wiper on this Polaris RZR Turbo. For more information on this windshield or wiper or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.